Teacher's Day ang mga guro ng Don Abadilla Elementary School sa pamumuno ng inyong school head na si Ma'am Gina Lilis Vera. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagmamahal, pagkakalinga, pagtsatsaga at sakripisyo upang matuto ang ating mga mag-aaral. Alam ko na mahirap maging guro dahil ako ay naging tulad niyo rin. Kaya alam ko na kayo ay isang luwaran at isang bayani ng ating lipunan. Hindi kayang bayaran ang inyong dedikasyon para maging maganda ang kinabukasan ng ating mga mag-aaral para sa ikauunlad ng ating bansa. Kaya naman, a teacher, a hero of our nation. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Enjoy your day. Happy Teacher's Day.
Hello po sa ating mga nagagandahan at nagwawapuhang mga guro po ng Don Abadilla Elementary School. Hayaan niyo pong batiin ko po kayo ngayong araw po ninyo ng isang maligayang araw ng mga guro. Maraming salamat po sa pagiging pangalawang magulang nyo sa inyong mga estudyante at pagtsatsaga ninyo na pagtuturo at paggabay sa ating mga estudyante para maging maganda po ang kanilang edukasyon. Nawa po ay magpatuloy ang ganitong inyong gawain at sana po ay hindi kayo magsawa. Pagpupugay po sa inyong lahat at muli po isang maligayang araw ng mga guro.
Sa araw ng mga guro, mahalagang kilalanin ang kontribusyon ng mga guro sa ating lipunan. Sila ang mga tagapagturo at tagapaghubog ng isipan, nagbibigay ng inspirasyon at kaalaman na nagiging pundasyon ng hinaharap. Ang kanilang dedikasyon at pasensya ay nag-aambag sa pagbuo ng mas mabuting mga mamamayan. Sa bawat aralin, sila ay nagdudulot ng pagbabago at pag-asa. Kaya't nararapat lamang silang ipagdiwang at pahalagahan. Happy Teacher's Day! Mahal namin kayo at napakahalaga kayo sa amin.
Hello, DICE teachers. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you so much for all your sacrifices to our school children and my gratitude that you have been part of my leadership journey, and for that you will be forever in my heart. I love you.
Mama, I love you po so much. Happy Teacher's Day po kasi araw-araw po ninyo ako tinutulungan sa gawain sa bahay at sorry po kung kami ay pasaway po pag minsan gusto ko pong kayo ay matuwa sa pang-araw-araw na tulong ko po sa inyo. I love you, Mama.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Chincha. Happy Teacher's Day din po, mga Ma'am and Sir, Ma'am Gina Nin. Happy Teacher's Day po. Happy Teacher's Day, Mami. I miss you every day. I want you here in my dorm. Sana payagan mo na po ako sa concert ng 17.
You remember when it was time.
Hello po, Happy Teacher's Day po sa lahat ng mga guro dyan sa Don Abadilla Elementary School, lalo kay Ma'am Crisel o Mrs. Portillo. Message ko lang sa iyo, mas galingan mo palalo ang pagbabahagi ng kaalaman sa mga bata o estudyante mo. at sa mga magiging estudyante mo pa. Yung patience, dedication, passion na kapag tuturo, alam ko always naka 100% ko dyan. Lalo na sa pagturo mo, sa pagbabasa ng mga bata, sa pagsusulat. Lalong-lalo na sa pagtuturo mo ng magandang asal sa mga bata. Yun lang. Mag-iingat ka palagi and I love you.
Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, yeah. If you want it sweet, got the sugar on lock. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, on repeat, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, yeah. If you want it sweet, got the sugar on lock. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, on repeat, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top.
Teacher's Day, Nay.
Happy Teacher Day.
Happy Teacher's Day, Nanay. I love you so much.
Hi, Teacher Tala! Greeting you a happy Teacher's Day! Hi, Ate! We all know na isa kang napakahusay, napakasipag, at syempre napakaganda na guro. Not just for your student, but for all of us and the family as well. We really admire how patient and dedicated you are as a teacher and to share your learning to your student.
I'm really grateful as I have a teacher ate that helps me and guide me with my studies. Salamat ate sa pagtuturo, pagsuporta at paggabay.
We are really proud of you and everything you accomplish. Keep being amazing and never forget how much you impact the lives of those around you. For us, ikaw ang best teacher. We love you, Teacher Tala. Also, Happy Teacher's Day to all amazing teachers in Don Abadilla Elementary School.
Pagbati sa unang guro na nagpanday at gumabay sa aming magkakapatid. Para po sa amin, si Ma'am Amor po ay hindi lamang isang ina, kundi isang guro na nagpanday ng aming kaalaman. Isang guro na laging nandyan tuwing kailangan namin ng isang kaibigan. Isang guro na nagsilbing mabuting halimbawa at inspirasyon sa aming magkakapatid. Ang sabi po noon ni Ma'am Amor sa amin ay ang pinakamahalagang yaman na maipamamana niya sa aming magkakapatid ay ang edukasyon. Ngunit para sa akin, ang kabutihan at pagmamahal bilang isang ina at bilang isang guro ni Ma'am Amor ay sapat na at ang pinakamahalagang lesson na ibinigay niya at itunuro niya sa akin at sa aking mga kapatid. Kaya Ma, thank you. Thank you for teaching us the meaning of true love, of patience and kindness. Thank you for your hard work and for teaching so many children. Happy Teacher's Day at maligayang araw ng mga guro din po sa lahat ng guro sa Don Abadilla Elementary School. I love you, Ma. Enjoy!
Hello, what's up po? Hello po, Ma'am Karina. Algulat ka, no? Binabati ko po kayo ng Happy Teacher's Day. Salamat po sa pagiging pangalawang magulang sa aming mga anak. Kami po ay lubos na humahanga sa inyo. Sa kabila po ng napakahirap na magturo, ay nandyan po kayo para hubugin, para po magbigay ng mga kaalaman sa mga kabataan. Salamat po. Talaga pong isa po kayong inspirasyon sa mga katulad naming magulang at isa po kayong inspirasyon sa mga kabataan na nangangarap na magkaroon ng magandang kinabukasan. Saludo po kami sa inyo. Sana po ay ipagpatuloy po ninyo ang inyong pagtuturo at pagsiservisyo dito po sa ating bayan ng Katanawan. Muli po, Happy Teacher's Day. God bless po at mag-ingat ka po palagi. Kuya Art.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma. So, kauwi ko lang from SLSU. And I hope you enjoy your day today. Miss ko na kayo ni na Papa. And I'm really grateful for all the things you have done. Not only you are a great mother, you're also a great teacher. And remember, you're always loved by us, by everyone. So, ayun, huwag ka masyadong magpaka-stress. Remember to eat daily, don't skip meals. We're really thankful. Me and Kuya loves you so much. So, ayun, Happy Teacher's Day ulit.
Hello to my only one, JNP Valley. Happy Teacher's Day. I love you.
When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. 간판 내리고 문 잠가 shutdown. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. It's black and it's pink once the sundown. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. 간판 내리고 문 잠가 shutdown. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Keep watching me shut it down. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. 간판 내리고 문 잠가 shutdown. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. It's black and it's pink once the sundown. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. 간판 내리고 문 잠가 shutdown. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Keep watching me shut it down.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am JD. Thank you sa pag-share mo ng knowledge, skills, and talent sa iyong mga estudyante at sa iyong paaralan. Sana ay panatili kang maganda at masigla araw-araw. Happy Teacher's Day!
To my first teacher, Happy Teacher's Day, Nani. Thank you for everything you taught to me. Siguro next year na yung pasalon mo.
Hi Lola! Happy Teacher's Day!
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma! At sa mga guro ng DAES na nagsa-celebrate ng Teacher's Day ngayon. Sa araw na ito, pinapakita natin ang kahalagan, ina-appreciate natin ang kahalagan ng mga guro upang tayo matuto at gabayan tayo para magamit natin ang mga napapag-aralan natin, mga tinuturo nila sa kinabukasan natin, sa pagtatrabaho man or sa pili ng kurso nating tatahaakin. Salamat sa pagkabay, sa pagbibigay inspirasyon, sa pagturo sa mga estudyante at sa amin rin, lalo na sa iyo man na ginagamit mo yung profession mo para matulungan yung mga estudyante mo, yung mga bata mo, tapos inaalagaan mo rin kami sa aming pag-aaral, inasuportahan mo kami, kaya salamat na nagagawa mo pa rin yung tungkulin mo sa kanila kahit may naabiyad ka sa amin, naabiyad mo rin kami. Yan lang. Bye-bye.
Hi Ma, Happy Teacher's Day. I love you. Mag-ingat ka palagi. At mahal na mahal kita. Bye-bye. Happy Teacher's Day po sa lahat ng teacher.
And so, happy Teacher's Day, Ma. I miss you and sana makauwi na ako dyan. Happy Teacher's Day!
Sir Aris, Happy Teacher's Day po. Enjoy nyo lang po itong araw na ito. Unang-una po nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat-lahat ng ginawa nyo para sa akin. At humihingi din po ako ng pasensya kung ako man minsan ay pasaway, hindi nyo nagugustuhan yung mga ginagawa ko. Pero lahat naman po ng iyon ay pilit kong binabago. At kung minsan man po ay meron tayong hindi pagkakaunawaan, natural na din naman po yun sa isang samahan. Wala naman perpektong samahan. Dahil sa lahat ng pagkakamali at hindi pagkakaunawaan natin, dun po mas tumitibay ang ating samahan. Kaya sana po ay hindi na masira ang ating samahan at mas tumagal pa. Basta po nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat-lahat ng ginawa nyo at patawarin nyo din po ako sa mga pagkakasala kong nagawa. Iulitin ko po, Happy Teacher's Day po ulit. Magsaya lang po kayo ngayong araw na ito dahil isa po ito sa special na araw para sa inyo.
Hi, Dong! Surprise! Happy Teacher's Day! Salamat sa walang sawa mong pagmamahal sa ating pamilya. Kahit na marami ka nang nararamdaman, tuloy pa rin ang laban. Maraming salamat. Give it up! Mahal na mahal ka namin. Bye-bye!
Hi, Ma'am Ara. Happy Teacher's Day. I am Quinzel, your beloved daughter. Thank you for everything. Thank you sa pagsuporta sa amin, sa aming magkakapatid. I hope you're happy and happy Teacher's Day again. And I love you so much.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama. As a teacher and a mother, thank you for your guidance and wisdom that brings light to the path we make. And we will always be grateful for that. And also, thank you for your love and unwavering support, always. And I want you to know, Mom, that you are the best teacher I've ever seen in my entire life because you're a teacher with makabugarang pakak always and very classy. And I love you even though I'm not used to say it to you because you know but yeah, Ma, Happy Teacher's Day, and I hope you enjoy this day because it is for you and for the teachers out there. And to all the teachers, Happy Teacher's Day po. Mama, Happy Teacher's Day to you. You're one of the most beautiful nilalang na nilikha ni Papa G. Charot. And you know, Mama, Happy Teacher's Day to you and to all the teachers out there. You're one of the strongest, the most gorgeous, the most demure, and the most stoic person that I've ever seen in the entire world. You know, Mama, I'm not into affections. You know that I don't want to display affection. But anyways, you know that I love you, and you know that, and I want you to know how grateful I am to you. I saw your passion. I saw your perseverance, your patience, your determination, and your passions towards your work. I also saw you at your highest, and I also saw you at your lowest. And for me, that was one of the greatest things that you've shown us, and that is not to give up just because some things don't go the way you wanted it to be. And Mama, you're I will always remember that you're the epitome of God's strongest soldiers. Happy Teacher's Day, Mama. I love you, Momo. Happy Teacher's Day, Mama.
Happy Teacher's Day po sa Don Abadilla Elementary School, Katanawan. Dalangin ko po na bigyan kayo ng Panginoon ng isang malalakas na katawan at malinaw na pag-iisip upang makapagbigay ng kaalaman sa mga estudyante. Lalong-lalo na po sa iyo, Roslyn, Mama. I love you po. Salamat sa lahat na itinuro mo sa amin. hindi lang sa ibang bata ka nakakapagturo ng mga kaalaman, kundi sa amin, pati ang kagandahang asal at kung paano maging mabuting tao. Salamat po, ingat po kayo palagi. I love you po.
Ang puso ko'y mapabigat. Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin? Kanyang tunay na patingin. Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napipitin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasaan ang pag-ibig? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, pwede mo ba sabihin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasaan ang pag-ibig? Ang puso ko'y mapabigat. Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin? Kanyang tunay na patingin. Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napipitin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasaan ang pag-ibig? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, pwede mo ba sabihin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasaan ang pag-ibig? Salamin, salamin, kailan niyo ba ako papansinin? Ayaw kong mali.
Hi Adrien, happy Teacher's Day. I love you. Enjoy.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma. I want to take this opportunity to tell you how great of a teacher you are. I've seen your students flourish through the years and how thankful they've been to have you as a teacher. And in those moments, it makes me proud to have you as my mother. I've also been one of your students, and I may not have been the brightest in math, but if there's one thing I've learned from you, it is to value my education. I'm lucky to have a teacher for a mom because it made me a diligent student. I wouldn't have achieved so much in my academic life without your guidance. Now that I'm older, I've gained interest in teaching as well, and that just made me appreciate your profession even more. I hope you know the great impact you've had on your students' lives. The knowledge and wisdom you impart are things no one can ever take away from them and from us. Thank you for teaching not just in a classroom, but at home too. You deserve all the love and appreciation today and every day. Happy Teacher's Day again!
Hi Ma, Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for the love and support. Hindi kami makakarating kung nasan kami ngayon kung hindi dahil sa'yo. Continue to be an inspiration to everyone, not just being as a teacher, but also being you as a normal person. I know you already made a big impact. Yung tipong nahack na yung account mo, inutangan na lahat ng kakilala mo, pero ang reply lang nila, #hindi nangungutang si Ma'am SP. Yun pa lang alam ko na, or alam na ng lahat na you already made a big impact. Kidding aside, Happy Teacher's Day to everyone. I love you, we love you, and malay mo next year, hopefully, may madadagdag na sa tuturuan mo. Love you.
Hi Tita Chona, Happy Teacher's Day po. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. See you soon. Love you.
Hi Mama and Papa, Happy Teacher's Day. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama and Papa. Love you.
Bring the pain like this, that, creep, venom, this, that, pink, venom, this,
Good morning! Nabati ko ang aking pamangkin at si Duria na Happy Teacher's Day mula sa Don Abadilla Elementary School at sana maging laging mabuting guro sa kanyang mga estudyante at maging mabuting kasamahan sa kapwa teachers sa Don Abadilla Elementary School. Thank you.
Action. Okay po. Isang ligtas na araw po sa inyo po lahat, Ma'am and Sir. Ako po si Fire Officer 2, Real Fred P. Roses. Ay taos puso po kong mabati na Happy Teacher's Day po sa inyo po lahat. Especially po sa aking napakagandang asawa, Crystal Irene Magnaye Roses, at sa akin pong ginagalang na nanay, Raquel Principe Roses. Muli po, Happy Teacher's Day po sa inyo pong lahat, Ma'am and Sir. Maraming salamat po.
Hi Nanay, happy Teacher's Day. I just want to take this moment to express how proud and grateful I am for everything you do. Your dedications to your students, your patience, your kindness never goes unnoticed. You've shaped not only the lives of your students but also mine in so many ways. I hope you enjoy your special day and you truly deserve it.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Carla. I love you.
Hi, Mama and Papa. Happy Teacher's Day. We love you.
Hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are and whenever man ito mapanood. Happiest Teacher's Day sa mga teachers na deserve ng raise sa sweldo. Amen. I just want to say Happy Teacher's Day to everyone and especially to my mom. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're handling things really well, and I hope that everything goes the way you planned it. And I just want to say that I'm so proud of the things that you have accomplished now and the things or the silent battles that you went through. And I just want to say that I am happy and very thankful that kahit na you're tired after a long days of work, you still manage to mingle with us, still manage to have a short but fun conversation with us, have a very fun moments or fun moments tuwing hapon or tuwing gabi. And I'm also so proud and pinagmamalaki ko yung part na you know how to handle things in a very rational way without involving your emotions, and yun yung inaaral ko from you, and yun din yung gusto kong i-apply sa sarili ko. Because for me, when you solve things in a rational way without involving your emotions and thinking in a practical way, then maganda yung kakalagsan nung mga solutions mo to your problems. And that's just amazing, and it shows how much of an amazing person you are. And you as a teacher, I've learned a lot. I mean, besides you being a teacher, you're also my mother, and you tinuturuan mo kami, my sister, sama ko na si Daddy, na mga things that we need to know and we need to learn. Kasi to exist in this world is to be a philosopher. We still need to learn, or we are still learning new things every day. Kasi hindi darating yung point sa life natin na titigil yung pag-learn natin ng new things. We still learn new things even though matanda na tayo, and we teach people new things as well. Ayun, Happy Teacher's Day. Know that I am always here for you when you need help, you need a shoulder to cry on. It may took us almost 17 years or 18 years to have a very great relationship with a strong foundation, but at least it's the beginning of a better connection between us. And ayun, thank you for being there for me Thank you sa pagharap sa mga teachers ko, sa mga aking mga kaguluhan sa buhay. And yeah, happy Teachers Day, and sana makagraduate ka na, and sana successful yung masterals, and yung pangarap natin na madagdagan na yung sweldo mo. Sana madagdagan din yung baon ko. Ayun, that's all. Thank you so much, and happy Teachers Day. I hope you and your co-teachers will have a fun mini celebration, or maybe bonggang celebration. Celebrate your hard works and your sacrifices in just to teach, just to celebrate the sacrifices and hard works and yung mga bagay na ginagawa ninyo. Lastly, I just want everyone to know na you're heard and you matter, and we wouldn't be who we are, or yung professionals, they're not gonna be there without you. So thank you for teaching. Thank you for still understanding yung students kahit na mahirap intindihin and kahit na mahirap yung situation. Happy Teachers Day to all, and I hope you all have a great time or have a great day. And I love you, Mom. Keep teaching and keep inspiring others. And basing sa mga nakita ko sa Blackboard, it felt so cute and amazing how kahit grade 5 pa lang sila, they love you and parang they look up to you a lot, and they're so inspired, and that just basically means na you're an effective teacher, and that you're an amazing person, and you know how to take care of your students just like how you take care of us. Love you. Bye.
Hello, Mangustin. Happy Teachers Day. So, more and more Teachers Day coming every year, and so on. So, continuous, and enjoy mo lang pagiging teacher mo. Although hindi naman talaga yan yung gusto mong course, so nandiyan ka na sa posisyon na yan, so wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Tsinaga mo na ng ilang taon, so ikita ko naman sa'yo na nag-enjoy ka din naman kahit paano. Basta huwag ka lang paka-stress. Yan, trabaho lang, trabaho, tapos hintay ng sweldo. Pag may time, enjoy din. So basta alagaan ang sarili, stay healthy, at mukhang healthy ka naman, pataba ka na ng pataba, ano? Yun lang, alagaan mo yung sarili mo, tapos para sa mga bata, sa amin, iwas stress, ka na pagka-stress, hindi makatulog pag na-stress ka, abigatan na lang ng parta. Yun, bali labanan na lang yung stress, tapos isipin mo na lang na mga estudyante, yun, kung wala yung mga nagabigyan ng inspirasyon sa iyo, doon na lang mag-focus. Kaya mo yung mga nag-amaritis, basta enjoy mo yan, yung mga nandyan ka na. So sa mga kasama mo sa trabaho, good luck sa kanila, at sorry, marami pa mga Teachers Day na darating pa, nasama kayo, at yun, ingat palagi, good health, and pataba ka palalo para may kutso na, may kumot pa na. Ingat, at happy Teachers Day ulit. I love ya. Ingat, bye bye. Happy Teachers Day sa inyong lahat, sa iyo Mangustin. Ingat kayo palagi. Okay, thank you.
do it. They like it. It's simple as that. That's right. They like it. They keep coming back. Oh, and flexibly we do what we do. Wanna pull up on us, checking us, thinking it come through. We can run it, run it, run it. No, this ain't a debut. Love me once and now you love me twice. Love me once and now he turns to nice. They like it. It's simple as that. That's right. They like it. They keep coming back. Oh, flexibly we do what we do. Wanna pull up on us, checking us, thinking it come through. We can run it, run it, run it. No, this ain't a debut. Love me once and now you love me twice. Love me once and now he turns to nice.
Happy Teacher's Day, Daddy. And sa lahat din po ng mga guro, Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day! Thank you for all the efforts and sacrifices, not just for us, but also for your students. Hope you enjoy this year's Teachers Month celebration. We love you! Bye! Bye, Suki! Bye! Happy Teacher's Day! Happy Teacher's Day!